turn the sacrum around and down. Do you remember? So this is the sharp leg side. Now we're going to align.
Oh, wow.
Only one of me though. That's where you get the Warwick technique.
There you go.
What am I doing to mommy? And right down at C5-6.
Oh!
C1-2. Good. Traction.
Oh, wow.
Hip, knee, ankle. Okay, we're going to adjust the shoulders.
Oh! How weird.
Okay, watch them grow.
Yep, getting taller.
Might have to get that wide, or what's a panoramic view here.
I'm taller. I'm healed.
Watch what happens when he sits up. Look at this. Face that way.
Oh yeah, you heard that, huh?
I don't know if the recording picked that up.
Oh.